Working with Discover Assets. Discover Assets, providing intuitive access to both business and technical assets across an organization is key to effectively leverage, monitor, and maintain company data. The Discover Assets UI presents asset cards allowing quick access and deep context through simple searches and filters. Using Discover Assets involves searching and filtering, systems, environments, tables, and columns, mappings, business terms, policies, and rules, reviewing and rating assets, adding tasks, viewing lineage, viewing mind maps, and viewing impact. Discover Assets. Click on the main menu icon to access the Irwin DI modules. Go to Discover Assets. Discover Assets dashboard appears. Filter and search. Search to filter and search assets. Browse by asset repository to browse assets using asset type cards. Browse by asset ratings to browse assets based on asset ratings. Browse by tags to browse assets based on tags. Browse by favorite assets to browse favorite assets. On the Discover Assets dashboard, in the search box, type a keyword. Two options, like and exact, appear. Like gets records that match a portion of the search keyword. Exact gets records that exactly matches the search keyword. Press Enter. Use All to filter the search results based on an asset type. The search result appears. With a keyword customer, the like search displays 774 records for asset type columns. Sensitivity classifications, tags, workflow status, and ratings are also displayed. Under Database Type, select Databases, and then click Apply Filters. The selected databases are shown in the Applied Filters list, and the matches based on these filters are displayed in the search result. Under Sensitivity Classifications, select Sensitivity Tags and then click Apply Filters. Sensitivity tags PCI and PHI are added to the Applied Filters list, and the search result is narrowed down to 21 records. Under Tags, select User-Defined Tags and then click Apply Filters. The tag None is added to the Applied Filters list, and matches based on these filters are displayed in the search result. Click Column Name, Customer ID to view the underlying properties of the column. Systems, Discovering Assets. Under Browse by Asset Repository, select the Systems card. A list of systems appears. Use the search box to find the required system from the list. On each system tile, you can view business purpose, classification, tags, status, rating, and favorites. To view system details in the system list, click a system name. The system page appears. To view associations of systems, click the Related Assets tab. The list of associated assets appears. To view or download the supporting artifacts, click Rich Media Library tab. View mind maps, lineage, and impact. Add tasks and update systems. Environments. Under Browse by Asset Repository, select the Environments card. A list of environments appears. Use the search box to find the required environment from the list. On each environment tile, you can view business purpose, classification, tags, status, rating, and favorites. To view environmental details, click Environment Name. The environment page appears. To view associations of environments, click Related Assets tab. The list of associated assets appears. To view or download the supporting artifacts, click the Rich Media Library tab. View mind maps, lineage, and impact. Add tasks and update environments. Tables. Under Browse by Asset Repository, select the Tables card. A list of tables appears. Use the search box to find the required tables. On each table tile, you can view business purpose, classification, tags, status, rating, and favorites. To view table details in the table list, click dbo.customers. The table page appears. To view associations of tables, click Related Assets tab. The list of associated assets appears. To view or download the supporting artifacts, click the Rich Media Library tab. View mind maps, lineage, and impact. And add tasks and update tables. Columns. Under Browse by Asset Repository, select the Columns card. A list of columns appears. Use the search box to find the required columns. On each column tile, you can view information such as business purpose, classification, tags, status, ratings, and favorites. To view column details, in the column list, click Column Account Type. The column page appears. To view associations of columns, click Related Assets tab. The list of associated assets appears. To view or download the supporting artifacts, click Rich Media Library tab. View mind maps, lineage, and impact, and add tasks and update columns. Mappings. Under Browse by Asset Repository, select the Mappings card. A list of mappings appears. Use the search box to find the required mappings. To view mapping details, in the mapping list, click a mapping name. Mapping page appears. Business terms. Under Browse by Asset Repository, select the Business Terms card. A list of business terms appears. Use the search box to find the required business term. On each business term tile, you can perform Add Task and Mind Map. To access the View Business Term tab on the Business Term list, click Business Term Customer. The Business Term page appears. Term Details section displays a business term's name, definition, and description. The Governance Responsibilities section displays the data governance assignments. To view additional information of business terms on the Business Term page, click the Additional Information tab. Click Associations to view associations of business terms. The list of associated assets appears. Business term customer is associated with 11 business terms, 8 business policies, 1 environment, 2 tables, and 93 columns. To view or download supporting artifacts, click the Rich Media Library tab. With My Action Center, you can view all the tasks related to a business term and manage tasks created or assigned to you. Business policies. Under Browse by Asset Repository, select the Business Policies card. A list of business policies appears. Use the search box to find the required business policy. On each Business Policies tile, you can perform Add Task and Mind Map. To access the View Business Policy tab on the Business Policy list, click Business Policy CCPA. The Business Policy page appears. By default, the View Business Policy tab opens. To view additional information of business policy on the Business Policy page, click the Additional Information tab. Click Associations to view associations of business policy. The list of associated assets appears. Business Policy CCPA is associated with 1 business term and 4 business rules. To view or download supporting artifacts, click the Rich Media Library tab. With My Action Center, you can view all the tasks related to a business policy and manage tasks created or assigned to you. Business rules. Under Browse by Asset Repository, select the Business Rules card. A list of business rules appears. Use the search box to find the required business rule. For each business rule tile, you can perform Add Task and Mind Map. To access the View Business Rules tab on the Business Rules list, click a business rule. The Business Rules page appears. By default, the View Business Rules tab opens. Click Associations to view associations of business rules. The list of associated assets appears. Business Rule Customer DQ Rules is associated with 5 business policies. To view or download supporting artifacts, click the Rich Media Library tab. With My Action Center, you can view all the tasks related to a business rule and manage tasks created or assigned to you. Review and rate assets. Click the ratings for the required asset. The Ratings and Review page appears. Click Write a Review. The My Review page appears. Enter appropriate values in the fields and click Save. The asset is rated and reviewed. The rating and review appear on the Ratings and Review page. Adding tasks. Click Add Task and a list of task type appears. Click a task type. The Create New Task page appears with Type to Do. Enter appropriate values in the fields. Click Save. The task is created and saved. Use the Chat tab to send messages to the assigned and external users of a task. View lineage, mind map, and impact. Viewing lineage. To view lineage for a column, account code alternate key, select lineage. The lineage report dual combined view page appears. By default, the lineage appears in graphical view. Viewing mind maps. To view mind maps, on the asset tile or page, select Mind Map. A mind map of the asset appears. View and analyze mind maps of both technical and business assets. Viewing impact. To view impact of an asset, on the technical asset tile or page, click Impact. The Asset Impact page appears. That's it. For more information, please visit irwin.com.